Hi, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be fixing a little bug that we have in the user functionality. For example, all right, let me show you what this is all about. Let's go to users, and I'm going to add a new user here. I'm just going to add a random user or something like that. Really doesn't matter what it is. It's just any user, random user. Add user takes me to this page, but if I go to view products, you can see the user created there. uh, Even though this is not the user's page. All right, so I'm going to tell you what that is. First of all, the reason why this is happening is because when we redirect to users, we're not actually invoking the function display underscore message, and that function unsets, all right, the session message. All right, so let me just show you in the code what I'm actually referring to. So let's go to the home directory and let's go to resources right here. All right, for those of you that are online, and I'm gonna go to functions and co-edit. All right, so this is, oops, what did I just did right here? All right, I'm going back. I just closed it. So I'm gonna look for add user, not right here, not add user, display message. And I want to show you exactly. So you see right here, that's not it. You see this function also unsets the session. So we need to actually invoke it. So I'm just gonna copy it, and I'm pretty sure that's exactly what is wrong with the that page. So I'm gonna go to templates, back, and then the add user. Actually, the users page is the one that we need to use. Co-edit. We go to the users page. If you are on XAMPP, and as you can see here, we're only displaying the user. We're not actually doing anything with the with the display underscore message, right? We're not invoking that anywhere. So where can we invoke that? Well, we could put a little h. Let me just get the other editor right here. Let's do the h3 here, and let's put some PHP tags right in between here. I'm gonna paste that function and make this a little smaller here. Actually, I don't need to. I'm just gonna take that to the new line there, semicolon, and I'm just gonna end the PHP tag in there like this. All right, so we are invoking the function. We have a h3 there. I'm just gonna put a class of bg success. Save. Now let's go back and check this out. Let's go to admin. We're gonna add a user, just any random user. Add user, user created. And now if we go to view reports, view products, we don't have anything there. So that's set. All right, so that, and this one's supposed to say user deleted. All right, so we need to fix that, right? So let's go back here and let's go to delete user, co-edit. If you are in XAMPP, all you have to do is just go to that one place, right? So we are setting the message here and says sir deleted. It says it's supposed to be user deleted. There we go. All right, perfect. All right, let's just refresh. Oops, still getting that message here. Oh, you know what? This is actually in public. All right, so remember that we're not using any of these. So as a matter of fact, this is actually, I'm gonna delete this delete product and delete category there so it doesn't confuse us. Let's just delete it. And this is from resources. All right, that's the private resources in the home directory, not the web directory. And then templates and back. All right, remember, always have these files somewhere so that way you can always come back to them. All right, so let's go to our public directory and resources, templates, back, delete user. All right, user deleted. There we go. All right, perfect. So we have this hello user there. Click on it, user deleted. We got no more errors anywhere else that I can tell for now. All right, so this is looking pretty good. We are actually fixing bugs as we encounter them, and we're gonna soon develop new features. All right, so thank you so much for watching this lecture. All right, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.